journey, gonna set my heart at ease, gonna make a sentimental journey to renew old memories.
Hey Porter, would you tell me the time? How much longer will it be till we cross that Mason-Dixon line? At daylight, would you tell that engineer to slow it down? Or better still, just stop the train, 'cause I want to look around. Hey Porter, what time did you say? How much longer will it be till I can see the light of day? When we hit Dixie, will you tell that engineer to ring his bell and ask everybody that ain't asleep to stand right up and yell? Hey Porter, it's getting light outside. This old train is puffing smoke and I have to strain my eyes. But ask that engineer if he will blow his whistle, please, 'cause I smell frost on cotton leaves and I feel that southern breeze. Hey Porter, please get my bags for me. I need nobody to tell me now that we're in Tennessee. Go tell that engineer to make that lonesome whistle scream. We're not so far from home, so take it easy on the steam. Hey Porter, please open up the door. When they stop this train, I'm gonna get off first, 'cause I can't wait no more. Tell that engineer I said thanks a lot and I didn't mind the fare. I'm gonna set my feet on southern soil and breathe that southern air.
From the great Atlantic Ocean to the white Pacific shore, to the queen of flowing mountain by the south belt by the shore. Hear the mighty rush of the engines, hear that lonesome hobo's fall. We're riding through to Dixie on the Wabash Cannonball. Our eastern states are dandy, so the people always say. From New York to St. Louis and Chicago, by the way. From the hills of Minnesota where the rippling waters fall, no changes can be taken on the Wabash Cannonball. Well, listen to the jingle, the rumble and the roar, as she glides along the woodland by the hills and by the shore. Hear the mighty rush of the engines, hear that lonesome hobo's call. We're traveling through the jungle on the Wabash Cannonball. You could hear all the people say, there's a gal out there from Texas. She's long and she's tall. She's the combination of the Wabash Cannonball. We'll listen to the jingle, the rumble and the roar, as she glides along the woodland by the hills and by the shore. Hear the mighty rush of the engine, hear that lonesome hobo's fall. We're traveling through to Dixie on the Wabash Cannonball. Well, here's to Daddy Claxton, may his name forever stand and always be remembered throughout the is over and we'll bear him to a draw, and we'll carry him up to heaven on the Wabash Cannonball. We'll listen to the jingle, the rumble and the roar as she glides along the woodland by the hills and by the shore. Hear the mighty rush of the engine, hear nine lonesome hobos call. We're traveling through to Dixie on the Wabash Cannonball. We're riding through the jungle on the Wabash Cannonball.
So, come along and ride this train. Riding the rails, riding the rails, wheels of steel again rolling through, pulling cars for passengers like you. Everybody ought to ride a train. Get on board, they're outward bound again, riding the rails. Riding the rails, riding the rails, riding the rails. Hey, watch them proudly roll on your laid track. It's a better way to get you there and back. And like a brand new day, she's up to date for bringing in your lover or your freight. Riding the rails, riding the rails, riding the rails, riding the rails. Long and sleek and made for moving on. Shout, here she comes, and she's already gone. Tip your hat to them when they go by. They're a way of life that will never, never die. Riding the rails, riding the rails. The old high-rolling days of steam have faded, and a little of the old rich glamour's worn off now. But some of us still wake up and find ourselves listening for that long, lonesome whistle in the night. That's the sound America's dreams are made of. Close your eyes and make believe just a little bit, and I bet you can hear that whistle blow.
Now I taught the weeping willow how to cry, and I showed the clouds how to cover up a clear blue sky. And the tears that I cried for that woman are gonna flood you, big river, and I'm gonna sit right here until I die. I met her accidentally in St. Paul, Minnesota, and it tore me up every time I heard her drawl, southern drawl. Then I heard my dream went back downstream, cavorting in Davenport, and I followed you, big river, when you called.
Ready?
Then you took me to St. Louis.
You can see the
Later
sidewalk
on
really nice.
down the river.
That's good action.
A freighter said she's been here, but she's gone, boy, she's gone. I found her trail in Memphis, but she just walked up the bluff. She raised a few eyebrows and then she went on down alone. Now won't you bat it down by Baton Rouge, River Queen, roll it on. Take that woman on down to New Orleans, New Orleans. Go on, I've had enough. Dump my blues down in the Gulf. She She loves you, Big River, more than me. To weeping willow how to cry, cry, cry. And I showed the clouds how to cover up a clear blue sky. And the tears that I cried for that woman are gonna flood you, Big River. And I'm gonna sit right here until I die.
See that? See it? The two passenger cars now. Come on. 30 tracks. Come on. There we go. And we'll stop it right there.
Come all you rounders if you wanna hear the story about a brave engineer. Casey Jones was the roller's name. On a 6-8 wheeler, boys, he rode to fame. Caller called Casey about 4:30. He kissed his wife at the station door. He climbed in the cabin with his orders in his hand. Said, "This is my trip to the promised land." Casey Jones climbed in the cabin. Casey Jones, orders in his hand. Casey Jones, leaning out the window, taking a trip to the promised land. Through South Memphis, yards on the fly, rain been a-falling and the water was high. Everybody knew by the engine's moan that the man at the throttle was Casey Jones. Well, Jones said, "Fireman, don't you fret. Sim Webb said I ain't a-giving up yet. We're 8 hours late with the southbound mail. Be on time or we're leaving the rails." Casey Jones climbed in the cabin. Casey Jones, orders in his hand. Casey Jones, leaning out the window, taking a trip to the promised land. Dead on the rail was a passenger train. Blood was a-boiling in Casey's brain. Casey said, "Hey, look out ahead, Sam, jump, Sam, jump." Oh, he did. Well, a hand on a whistle and a hand on a brake. North Mississippi was wide awake. I see railroad officials said he's a good engineer to be a-laying dead. Casey Jones climbed in the cabin. Casey Jones, orders in his hand. Casey Jones, leaning out the window, taking a trip to the promised land. Headaches and heartaches and all kind of pain are all a part of a railroad train. Sweat and toil, the good and the grand, are part of the life of a railroad man. Casey Jones climbed in the cabin. Casey Jones, orders in his hand. Casey Jones, leaning out the window, taking a trip to the promised land.
Come along and ride this train. Come along and ride this train. Across the mountains, prairies, reservations, rivers, levees, plains. Come along and ride this train.
Now, one of the next source of power.
I know a land where mountain streams are running free. I know a prairie where there's miles between each tree. I know where there's people you would like to get to know. Come along with me and go. Come along and ride this train.
So I added this
Come along and ride this train. Across the mountains, prairies, reservations, rivers, levees, plains. Come along and ride this train. I heard a story that I'd like to share with you. I know a valley that I'd like to take you through. I will show you things that I am sure you'd like to see. Come along and go with me. Come along and ride this train. Come along and ride this train. Across the mountains, prairies, reservations, rivers, levees, plains. Come along and ride this train.
On the meantime, just like that. But I gotta throw this. Also,
come along and ride this train. Come along and ride this train. Across the mountains, prairies, reservations, rivers, levees, plains. Come along and ride this train.
And all you do is press the accelerator, so to speak, which gives you your... And stop.
I hear the train a-comin', it's rolling around the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on.
Oh, I think it's true to have a lot of fun with this.
But that train keeps rolling
I'm going to show him how to do the
on
same
down
thing.
to San Antone. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and cry.
See those sidewalks how they work?
I bet there's rich folks eating in a fancy dining car. They're probably drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. Well, I know I had it coming. I know I can't be free. But those people keep a moving, and that's what tortures me. If they freed me from this prison, if that railroad train was mine, I bet I'd move it on a little farther down the line, far from Folsom Prison. That's where I want